How do you repair your car after a minor accident? Option 1. Call your insurance, but lose your no-claim bonus and pay higher premiums. Option 2. Contact your dealer, but face high prices and long waits for parts. Option 3. Search auto parts stores, get lucky to find an aftermarket part with a slightly cheaper price. A better way is try local wreckers. Save up to 80%, support local businesses, and help the planet. Download Local Wreckers from your App Store and find out more.